Hello everyone! The changes that occur in the society are made to create a more advanced civilization than before. We can say that social change is intended to make a more modern society. Therefore, we know the term of modernization, which is the applied scientific knowledge in all activities, fields of life, and social aspects. Modernization in the community certainly provides the simplicity in every aspect of life, especially in the fields of transportation, information, and communication. Human movement becomes very fast, and the flow of the information becomes quicker and easily accessible. This fact gives us a term that we know as globalization. Globalization is the dependency among the community of the world in culture, economy, and interaction without being obstructed by national or geographical boundaries. Have you ever talked with your family or friends who are abroad through social media? Do you need a passport or visa when you contact them? It is certainly not necessary, isn't it? Well, this is one of the examples of globalization. Globalization is often identified as internationalization, liberalization, westernization, and deterritorialization. Internationalization is a corporate strategy of making products and services that can be adapted as good as possible so they can easily enter different national markets. Liberalization is the revocation of the government restrictions to open an economy without trade barriers, restrictions of currency traffic, foreign exchange controls, and entry permit to a country. Westernization is a lifestyle that is suitable with the Western or American culture. Deterritorialization is the process of removing strict regional boundaries. The characteristics of the globalization are 1. Globalization has a correlation with the improvement of connectivity between nations and people in the world through trades, investment, travels, popular cultures, and other forms of interaction. 2. Changing in the concept of space and time. The development of cellular phones, satellite, television, and the internet shows that global communications is happening rapidly. 3. Interdependent of markets and economic productions in different countries. 4. The improvement of cultural interaction through mass media, especially television, movies, music, sports, and many others. 5. The increasing of common problems, for example, coronavirus pandemic in the world, AIDS, Chernobyl incident in 1986, monetary crisis in Asia in 1998, which causes a lot of unemployment. Friends, I am sure that all of you can realize that we live in an era of globalization where we can easily get a lot of information from all over the world. Therefore, as a young generation, let us utilize globalization for the progress of the nation and not to lose our national identity.